What's up everybody? My name is Keegan with Sandpiper and I'm going to show you guys our 391 FLRB. So one of the really cool features we do on all of our luxuries is going to be this slide out LP tank. It makes it much more convenient to switch out your tanks. Another feature of all of our luxuries is going to be the drop frame storage. So you get a ton of storage down through here. So one of the best exterior features we have on all of our Sandpipers is going to be the more ride step with the strut. So it's really light, it's really convenient, and it's super sturdy getting up and out of the coach. So Sandpiper has been known for a long time to have a great outside kitchen. This floor plan is no exception. Everything in here is going to be weather resistant and it'll come with a nice little refrigerator and storage for you. But the main selling point of our 391 is going to be our drop frame storage. So you get a ton of space back here. It's big enough, you should be able to fit a couple kayaks, a couple bikes, your grill, whatever you need. We also have an off-door tray slide. So we try to maximize the amount of storage you can get on this unit, and then we put it on this convenient tray that'll pull out. So our 391 FLRB stands for front living rear bathroom. So our front living units will have a pop-down TV with a windshield. So that way if you guys got a great view, you can see that. If you want to see the game, obviously you can watch it on the TV. These couches will actually pull out and leave a little space in the middle, but this is a great spot to sleep if you've got extra guests. So like all of our luxury units, the 391 has a solid surface countertop, which is a really nice touch. It's got this beautiful freestanding range, which is huge, and it's also got a huge refrigerator. That way you can fit all your drinks when you're at the campsite. A nice little touch we also do is this optional half bathroom right here. So this is great for guests because they don't have to come all the way through your coach. So the bedroom in the 391 FLRB is tremendous. It comes with a king bed. We've got a dual vanity sink up there. We've also got a walk-in shower with a seat. And this closet right here is going to be prepped for your washer and dryer. Once again, I'm Keegan with Sandpiper. Thank you guys for watching. If you got any questions, hit us up on Facebook or check out our website.